Alright, let's do a couple quick test drawings for this MCA sign project. Ultimately, we got to assemble some cardboard. We got to have some kind of a device that hangs on the door, and some kind of device that kind of extends off that piece hanging from the door. So we got to plug the sign into the little door hanger mechanism. So here's kind of what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to build like a attachable or a plug-inable project. So let's take a look at this door quickly. So here's the door. I drew it using the blue axis, so it's vertical. My door is 7 feet tall by 3 feet wide. I went 2 inches thick. That's a standard door here at the middle school. Is 2 inches thick. Okay. So I'm thinking of having some kind of little holder to go up, over, and down, and a sign protruding from that. Let's see that here too quickly. So here's the inside of the door. The little hanger hanging on inside the door, and then the outside of the door, a little bit longer, but a little hanging down strap. Now to get the sign out, I'm not going to draw it for real yet, but the sign's going to eventually plug into, where's green? Click. Oh, I'm going to go up right. It's going to plug into this and come out a certain distance. You're going to have the sign protrude out from that hanging down piece to plug into it. Okay, so mine's not drawn proportionate scale, just kind of for the idea. I gotta somehow have this vertical piece attached to this piece by having a little plug-in or a little attachment point. Right now, there's no connection point. This could fall off. This could break. That's part of the lesson for the day. Okay, so here we go. All right. So even if you're not gonna make that kind of sign, you still gotta have some way to attach your cardboard to other pieces using a similar technique. So I did a new drawing. I'm going to start by just drawing a little 4-inch tall by 2-inch wide square. You see it? Let's go camera, zoom in. There it is. Oops, wrong way. Let's undo that. Let's go 4 inches tall, 2 inches wide. There we go. This I'm not going to make the thickness yet, because I want to use this part to cut on the laser cutter, so I don't need to worry about how thick the board is right now. So for now, I'll make it 2-inch by 4-inch, 2 by 4. I'm going to take the same thing here. Oops, get out of there. I'm going to copy and paste this. So edit, copy, edit, paste, whatever program you're using, copy, paste, and I'm going to try to get it so it's there. It is. See the little red line on my screen show up? Now I'm exactly to the right of that, lined up exactly. So line up these 2 points exactly. Okay. 2 panels. On one, I'm going to make a little plug-in. Other one, the opening. So for the opening, I'm going to use the tape measure tool. I know the material is 3/16 thick. So if I measure over about 1 inch, and then over again that 3/16 for my thickness, this is how wide of a channel I got to cut to allow this piece to plug into it. Okay, so over 1, over 3/16. I'm going to go up 1 inch, and I'm going to go up 2 inches. So I'm making a 2-inch tall, 3/16 wide channel. And I'm going to draw in all 4 points of this opening. Okay, so now I want to be able to cut this little square away and have this piece plug into it. All right. So now over here, this piece over here, I got to make a cutout to have this plug into that. Here's the top edge of that cutout, top edge of the cutout, bottom edge, the bottom edge, already lined up for me. All you need now is a depth. I want to go 3/16 of an inch in. And I'm just going to draw my little chunks to cut out. I'm going to cut this portion away and cut that portion away and remove my guidelines, and that chunk and that chunk. So now if I went to laser cutter with this file, cut both pieces, this would plug into the opening. I could glue along this edge and have these two connected. Kind of having that, this is my vertical piece on the door. This sign plugs into it, coming out. I can glue it and have it attached. So anything you build as far as cardboard goes, for any of your projects, you got to have a little channel for the cardboard to plug into. All right, hey, good luck with this drawing. When you're done, save it to your account, because tomorrow we're going to export this to the laser cutter, cut these, and assemble these.